Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro. Now tap on it to select it. On this page, find the option called Notifications and Reminders, and here you should see a couple of options. We have app alerts, incoming SMS, standing reminder, and goal notifications. These ones will be enabled by default, but app alerts and incoming SMS probably will be disabled. And to enable them, tap on app alerts, and if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the phone to send the notifications to your watch, you will see this message at the top. And basically what we need to do is to tap on it and allow the required permissions. If you see this pop-up, tap on OK. Scroll through the list, find the ZEP application, tap on it, tap on allow notification access, or rather on the switch next to it, then tap on allow. And once you turn on allow notification access, go back to the app and the message should be gone. If it's still there, probably it means you have you need to allow more permissions basically, and you will need to tap on the message and keep allowing the permissions until this message is gone. And once it's gone, you can enable the app notifications. And here we can also enable and disable the option to silent push in do not disturb mode on your phone. And we can enable the option to notify you only when the mobile phone screen turns off. So if you enable this option and you receive the notification on your phone while the screen is unlocked on, you won't be seeing the notification on your watch. If you disable this option, you will be seeing, so depending what you like. And here we have the list of apps that you can enable and disable the notifications for. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, you will see it only on your phone. Okay, I'm gonna re-enable the Discord, and now we can go back, tap on incoming SMS, and here we can enable the notifications for messages. If you see the warning message about the permissions again, it means you need to tap on it and allow the required permissions. And once you allow the required permissions, you can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. Okay, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications from your phone. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got it on our phone, and we also got it on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.